A great day to one and all. I am Mr. Kim J. Ciencio, and today I will be showing to you how to utilize Microsoft Excel to determine the mean and standard deviation of our interval or ratio data when they are grouped either by nominal or ordinal variables. So if you could see here, suppose I have 20 respondents. So I have here in the first column, respondent number one. We have respondent number 1, 2, 3, all the way until the 20th respondent. In the second column, indicates the sex of each respondent. And for the sex, we have two categories, male or female. For the third column, our respondents are categorized or are grouped according to their grade level in the junior high school level. So we have grade 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we have here in the fourth column, the monthly family income in Philippine pesos of these respondents. So example, let's interpret them. Example, if I have this row, it means that respondent number 1 is a female who is a grade 7 learner and whose family income is 29,000. If I would go here in respondent number 9 is a male grade 10 student whose monthly family income is 49,000 pesos. So this time, I will be showing you how to compute for the mean and sample standard deviation when they are grouped, when in this case, when they are taken as an entirety or when they are grouped to certain nominal or ordinal variables. And for our class, in our computations, I would like you to express all values. What I meant here, the mean, the sample mean or our mean here, and sample standard deviation will be expressed in 2 decimal places as appropriate, especially when they are reflected in your paper. And so this time, I will show you how to do it. And here, let's say we would like to determine, let's take them as an entire group. Let's compute for the mean. So to do that, I will go in this cell because I would like the answer for our mean to be placed here. And to do such, we go to FX. So you click FX. And here you choose average. And the mean here is average in Excel. So you click OK. And we would like to highlight now the cells that we would like to take its mean. And we will take the mean of monthly family income. So here, we will select all of these. So you see, we have selected these numbers. And after that, that's from D2 until D21 cell, as reflected here as well. And if you click OK, there, it gives you the average. So the average is, or the mean monthly family income of all of your respondents is 41,500. And if you would like to make this 2 decimal places, so here you could click this. So you see it's now 2 decimal places. Okay, let's compute now for the sample standard deviation. And if I click on here, for the sample standard deviation, I wanted to have the answer in this cell, displayed in this cell. So I will click FX again. And to compute for the sample standard deviation here, you have to select stdev.s. That stands for sample standard deviation. And you click OK, and it asks you again of the numbers. So you have to highlight again all of these cells from D2 until D21. And with that, you click OK now. And there you have it. This is our sample standard deviation. All right. So therefore, when all of them are taken as a whole, their mean monthly family income is 41,500 with a sample standard deviation of 23,884.59. So far, so good. But how about if you would like to determine their mean and sample standard deviation when they are categorized according to sex? Or how about for grade level? So for such, let's say you would like to get, what do you think is the mean and sample standard deviation of all the males? And you could see it's kind of dispersed. We have female, male, female, 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 male, male, male. So it's kind of difficult to do that. But don't worry. To do this, we could actually group all the males first, then all the females. And we can do it like this. So you could, you go to this one on top, you do left click, then highlight everything. And after highlighting everything, you have to go to data. And after you clicking data, you click sort here. And in clicking sort, you could now sort them by column. So are you going to sort them by respondent number? This one is by respondent number. If I wanted to sort them according to sex, to separate the male and female, you click on this, then you click sex. And I would like them to A to Z. Let's just have it as is. And you click OK. And you could see now that it adjusted and it sorted the data based on sex. So you see we have here now all the females, all the 11 females, and with their corresponding monthly family incomes, as well as the following respondents are all the males with their corresponding monthly incomes. So now we will be doing a similar thing. So for male, we wanted the mean to be placed here. So you go to FX again, and you click average. So then, remember we are going to get the mean of the family monthly income. So I would like, remember the female is from here until this one. So I have to highlight here all the way until here only. Why only until here? Because these are the monthly family incomes of all the females. Oh, sorry, we're talking about male. The male is here rather. The males are here. All right. So we have to be very careful. So the males are all here. Then you click OK. And there you have it, the mean monthly family incomes of the males. We wanted this to be into decimal places. So you click this. And to get their sample standard deviation, a similar thing. So FX. You click the stdev.s. You click OK. And it asks you of the numbers. So it's from here all the way until here. Then you click OK. So you could see now. Okay, I think I did something wrong. So we have to do this again. I think I clicked somewhere else earlier outside. So let's do it again. F of X. stdev.s. Then from here all the way until here. Then click OK. So you have it here. A standard deviation of 25,453.44. Now for the females, that's compute for the mean. I would like it to be reflected here. So click FX. Let's have now the mean. So I click average, then click OK. So we start from here all the way until here only. Then click OK. So that's the average. We wanted it 2 decimal places. It's there. And for their sample standard deviation, then click again FX, choose stdev.s, click OK, and highlight the monthly family income of all female respondents. You click OK, and there you have it, a 22,062.79 for the standard deviation of females respondents in terms of their family monthly income. So this time you're done with it. How about for grade level? That of grade 7, 8, 9, and 10. So to do that, so you highlight again from A, B, C, and D. Then you go back again to our data. You click data, you click sort again, but monthly family income here is what? It's in the column D, right? So we have to sort them by monthly family income. So it's, I mean by grade level rather, because that's your ordinal variable. We will sort them now by grade level here. Then from smallest to largest, because we wanted it like this, if you wish, the 7 will be displayed first all the way until 10. And if you click OK, this will now be shown. And you could see here are the grade 7. So you could do a similar thing, grade 7 here, mean and standard deviation for the grade 8, grade 9, and grade 10. And you can do this on your own. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, consider liking and subscribing to this channel. And see you all in the next video. God bless us all and take care.